How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today I'm working on my dad's Chevy Volt, and one of the things he noticed is it was low on coolant. So you have to make sure once in a while that these cars they have proper coolant level. So like for example this is a coolant reservoir for so you can see the mark is supposed to be right here, so this is the indication, so it needs to be filled up all the way here. This one needs to be filled up all the way here. I'm gonna post a picture, so check out that picture. It tells you the coolant level. This one seems to be okay. There is an indicator over here that shows the arrow. On this one there's none, there's no indicator here, but it needs to be almost at the same level as this one. So check out the picture. So I'm gonna fill this up, and I'm gonna fill this up. Now let me show you guys the one that you're supposed to be using with the Chevy Bolt. This is this AC Delco Dex Cool. This is a 50-50 premix antifreeze coolant. So we're gonna use this. This is already premix, so this is not a concentrated one. So all you have to do is just pour it. So if you get a concentrated one, then you have to mix it with water, distilled water. So this one is already premixed, so I'm just gonna go ahead and measure it and just pour it in and bring the level up. Let's do that. Okay, so the very first thing we're gonna do is fill this guy up to this level. Just make sure your car is nice and cool, and it needs to be on a level surface. Then you do this. All right, I think it's about the right level. You don't want to overfill it because it can cause pressure issues and it can cause leaks. So make sure it's not over the limit. This one needs just a little bit, not a lot. Okay, that's about right. I'm looking at the level mark right here. I apologize, my camera was not in the zone, but this is the one I was filling, so I just put the cap. This one is easily removable, so I just removed the cap and topped it off until this level mark. And if you clean this up, you'll see an arrow with a line, so that needs to match. So this side is good. Now this side, to get to this, is a little tricky. I don't know why they have this, it just doesn't make any sense. But you can lift it and take out the cap this way. Now you can fill this up. Alright, that's about right. Again, do not overfill it. And just make sure, put this in place, push it in. Not that it, so I don't know why they have this don't break anything while you're doing this. Hold on to this, kind of flimsy. All right, so this part is done, and let me show you guys closer. So here you can see mark level is till here based on the picture that I showed you guys. Over here, filled it up all the way till here, even though there's no signs here. It doesn't tell you anywhere, but that's what the manufacturer booklet shows. And over here there's this mark right there, so kind of topped it off right till here. So that's it, guys. You know, I could not find any videos on this, so decided to record one for you guys. I'm pretty sure if you guys own a Volt, you're gonna run into this issue. The new generation might be a little bit different, but the concept is the same. Do check your coolant level. This thing has 3 types of different coolant level. One is for your electrical system, the other one is for your battery, and then you have your engine, which is this guy right there. So those two, one of them is for the engine, and sorry, the engine is over there. One of these are for the battery and your electrical system. So, you know, I'm not exactly sure which one is what, but that's pretty much it, guys. Just make sure the levels are good and you should be good to go. And hopefully this video helps you guys. Guys, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for the AC Delco, the one that I used, so you guys can purchase it. I just got it from Amazon. Easily, readily available. Do not get the concentrated one, get the premix, so you don't have to worry about mixing the right ratio and then mess something up. So, all right, thanks for watching.